Okay guys, hello, it's my day off, so I'm so happy. But guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna clean today. So the first thing we're gonna do is fold the towels. Whoop. So come with me, let's fold some towels. It's gonna be so much fun. Next chore is gonna be vacuuming in here. I'm not gonna sweep, I'm gonna vacuum. Vacuuming's quicker and I think more efficient because it just sucks all the dirt up, and then you're done. You don't have to. Well, you do have to dump it out, but you don't have to carry it around in a little dustpan and it flies off there. Sometimes you miss some when you sweep, so you're gonna skip a whole step and just vacuum. All right, so let's get on that. It is time. Let's go. I found another dog in our kitchen. It's right in here. Sheesh. And that's what happens when you have shepherds. Like that guy. He's a shepherd, so therefore he sheds. Oof. I have like a fur all over me. Now I think it is time for some lunch, which is going to be my frozen. And a little sandwich. Anyway, I'm gonna have my frozen broccoli and cauliflower and some cheese sauce to have with it. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Here's lunch. This is cauliflower and broccoli with a little bit of cheese sauce, and it's gonna be absolutely amazing. Let me grab it. Look at the viewfinder. That stare. So here's a little trick I learned. See, I got a crack in my nail right there. So I'm gonna put super glue on it. I'm gonna put this on it. So hopefully that'll work. Let's try it. Oh, I tried it. There's the glue on it. Now I'm just gonna just wait for it to dry. Ooh, hopefully that works. Laundry time again. I'm heading to Walmart. Yes, but it's actually really nice tonight. I mean, it's like comfortable. No, like there's no like feeling of heat whatsoever. It's just like, whew. I love it. It feels so good. Okay, so Walmart, I got like 12 items to get. And then I'll head home for my day off. It's been fabulous. And I forgot to put in earrings. And forgot to wear my watch. And I forgot to wear my bracelets. What's wrong with me, people? Anyway. Okay, so I'm going to go and get back. And I was going to take a shower. But I think I might either wait till way later or tomorrow. Because I'm off again tomorrow. I lost my voice. I'm off again tomorrow. Yay! Alright, we're in. First stop is incense. Incense. And then litter. For me cats. Oh, we're in the birthday house. See? I missed the Harry Potter stuff. Oh. Where am I going? Where am I going? This way. Got pinatas. I like the party stuff. I like all this plastic stuff. It's just so clear. Oh guys, we did it again. We shopped at Walmart. Someone I think waved at me and I didn't recognize them, so I didn't really say anything. But I thought they were waving at someone else, but I think they were waving at me, so I'm not really sure. Oh my gosh, there's a cute doggy in this car. That dog. That is so cute. Anyway, so like now I feel bad because I feel like they think that I've ignored them. And so it makes me feel like a bad person. Like, what if I see this person, like, and I come up to me and go like, hey, I saw you at Walmart, you ignored me. I'm like, no, I didn't. I didn't know it was you. I'm not wearing my glasses, and they had a mask on, so I can't tell. Anyway, ooh, the sun is so pretty. Look at that sunset. It's so lovely. I love it. Oh, right when I get the camera out, the sound of summer stopped. There it is. You hear that? That sound right there, it just reminds me of being outside and playing at this time of day in the summertime when I was like a kid. I love it. I love those sounds. Good old, I guess they're crickets or bugs or maybe they're frogs. I'm not sure. There's something making that little noise. I love it. So cute. Kitty kitty, what are you doing? You in my car? You are. What are you doing? Silly? Oh my goodness, I got 2 more things to get. Here's someone then. I want to try this. Because I want to eat more oatmeal. I've been in the mood for oatmeal. And I'm actually going to try cooking some quinoa with like my vegetables that I have. And do some quinoa and veggies. And of course my back for instance. I love this stuff. I love these things. Those are so good. And of course my eggs. And I got my bananas. And all that. Yay! Walmart haul. Well, I'm going to bed, but I decided to play a little bit of my kalimba because I really want to learn it, to play it like really nice. But it's 2 in the morning and I better just go to bed though. Which will get off. Excuse me. It was a great day off. And you know what, everybody? Tomorrow, I'm off again. So I'm gonna do another day off stuff of whatever. And I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's later. And I'll probably do another review. I'm getting my reviews out there, guys. So please subscribe to my other channel, The Redhead Review. It should have a link down below along with some other of my channels. If you want to check those out, that'd be awesome. Yeah, that's about it. So, I guess I'm going to go to bed now. So I'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget the key.